Hey, how you doing, guys? Happy holidays. Tomorrow is Turkey Day, and today I'm replacing the fuel pump, put in a bigger one. I'm having every time the car gets warm, you don't hear the fuel pump priming. Only one thing, a lot of people told me it was a GCU. I went to a couple of my racer mechanics to confirm my theory, and I'm gonna replace it. Today we're replacing it with a high flow AEM fuel pump on the S2. We're gonna replace it right now. Hit like, hit share, scrap that, that like button, subscribe button, and this is my YouTube jacket. Check it out. Yes, too. That's right. Hope you like it. Go get it right now on my community. Hit it up. All right, let's get to it, boy. Alright guys, I had to jump on my phone because my beautiful camera passed away. So this is after you take this off right here. This is especially when you have the convertible, the hardtop. You can take the hardtop, put it to the side, and you can go in here and do it right here. Very easy. Just go ahead and got 3 screws. I'm gonna got my electric drill. I'm sorry for you if you have the whole soft top, because it's a pain in the butt to do it with a soft top. You have to be halfway open and this and that. I guess I'm lucky that I have the. And then back here is where you disconnect. Back here is when you disconnect everything. Underneath here. There we go. So I'm going to disconnect this right here. Boom, like that. I'll move it to the side. So now you got clips in here. This is your fuel line. This is what you're going to check out. This is number 10 bolts all the way around. Let me move in the light a little bit closer. So now what we're going to do, you don't have to disconnect all this stuff right here. Let me see something. So I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to disconnect. Take that number 10. Take all this apart. Press this in. Push it out. Push it out. And then take the fuel pump out. Okay? So stay tuned. Alright guys, so make sure you don't lose nothing. Okay, there we go. All right, I lost 2 nuts. All right, you're gonna press this right here. Basically, you press Huh? What reindeers? So, guys, if you're doing this, make sure that your pressure's off, because right now I just took a bath of gas out of here. My new jacket. So, and other neighbors are outside tonight. Christmas, the holidays. All right, so let's see. We're gonna take this puppy out of here. Woo! There you go, guys. This is the bumpy right here. I never replaced this before. It's my first time. So, got some clips over here that we can take them off. You got this one, they gotta come off. And this one gotta come off. You got a clip right here. And then this right here. This right here you go. Like that, like that. Boom. Look, guys, this is your fuel pump right there coming up. There's your fuel pump right there. The reason it's not coming out more is two things. It's right here. I'm gonna press that on. And then it comes out. And then I gotta loosen it up, okay? Alright guys, as soon as you do that, this is gonna pop out. This is basically your floater. This is basically your floater for the pump. And this is your pump right here. Reason I'm changing it, I had this pump with old gas in here, and I want to change it right now. So I'm putting this one on. And basically, oh man, I didn't have to buy the retainer. So anyway, let's see how this comes on with. All right, comes with the tubes. Okay. Just want to make sure that these right here before we do anything, we'll make sure that these bolt in. Oh yeah. All right, cool. All right, guys. So the kit comes with an extra clip in case yours is messed up. Comes with that, but this is the same as an OEM. And then it does come with the bottom clip. It does come with 2 oil rings. Then I'm presuming you gotta go somewhere on here. In a minute, I'll tell you right about it. Now we're gonna have to change from this hose to from this one to this one. You're gonna have to change this clamp right here, and then basically you do the same thing. You plug it in, put the new socks on it, and drop into the tank. And hopefully this takes away the headaches that I've been having with my S2000. So let's get to it, boy. All right, that's it. That's done. Now on the bottom, there's a few things you have to do. Like this goes right here, or like AEM style. Goes from there to there to protect the pump. See, like that. But before that, you're gonna put this on. Boom, like that. Right, and then we're gonna do the clip. This is a pain in the ass, but this is the clip that goes with it. All right, guys, I put it in. What's the pain about to do? So now the next step you're gonna do, you're gonna grab this little thing. You're gonna put it right here. It's gonna lock in place. So I am running the AEM computer, Infinity computer. So hopefully it makes everything a lot better. A lot better. Boom. Yes, there we go. It went in. Okay, let me plug it in. Okay. The same way it went in, goes back out. Now we're gonna take this up. Boom. Boom. All that is done. Boom, boom. Done. The fuel pump is done already. Now we're gonna put it back in here. And seal it and reach. All right, guys, so I got the car running. I think I might have what they call, let me bring the light over. I think I might have this right here bad. This right here. Right here. Reason why the car was cranking. And I took it apart, the car started right away. Well, the car in the past, so you get the car in the past will not turn on when the car was hot. It will not turn on at all. Now it just did. So I'm gonna drive it around. I'm gonna put this back on. I'm gonna drive it around, and I'm gonna see if after I warm it up real well. I mean, it's warm. It turns right on. So with that said, I'm gonna drive it around, do the same thing, and finish putting my interior back on. All right, guys. So I got the car back together. Unfortunately, my car. I want to check the computer in a few minutes. I want to check the laptop because as soon as I put it on, you get gas. I went for a drive like I usually, but now before I would not hear the fuel pump kick in at all when it was hot at all, and now you hear that pump hitting hard. Oh my God, and kick hard now. We got putting more fuel to the system, but let me check my ECU, see what's going on, see if there's something going on with the vehicle. And you see that green back there? This fella right here, we sold it. Guy Gene, this guy got sold. can't see it very well. It's dark out here, but he got sold. Picking it up tomorrow. I gotta take my sticker off, take the tag, and I'm gonna miss him though. Good car to have fun with. Everything worked. The window works. Everything works now. When I car this car, nothing works. Well, guys, have a good night. You got Gina out. Subscribe, hit like, check my merch out. This jacket is off the hook. I can tell you this right now. It is off the hook. Nice and warm. Got my S2000 logo in the back. Guys, peace out. See you later.